Welcome to season 2 of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you for what's going to happen on Sibongile and the Dlaminis from the 29th to the 31st of July 2024 on Monday. Vuma drops Sibongile off at the university and bid an emotional farewell to his daughter. Sibongile meets a handsome, successful young businessman and her energetic roommate Zama. However, her new life is disturbed when her past come back to haunt her. During a celebration on a boat, a terrible accident happens, throwing the guest into a search party on Tuesday. After meeting the Dlaminis, Sibongile want to leave and go back home. She then tried to apologize to Jabu for almost giving up on her bursary and the future, but he is cold. Nomalanga wants Kwenzo to spend the day with her instead of going to look for the missing helper. Njengaye behaves like a husband whose wife has just gone missing on Wednesday. Sibongile and Jabu reconcile, and it is his day 2 without the missing helper being found, and Petani begins to fear the worst and questions Njengaye. Novundo's brother Begi shows up at the Dlamini house with a surprise for Njengaye that leaves the entire family shocked. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Welcome.